Welcome back to the Animal Fact Den. You won't believe these real-life animal superpowers. Superpower number 1. Geckos! They can walk upside down on glass using millions of microscopic hairs that stick like magic. Superpower number 2. Cuttlefish. These masters of disguise can change color, pattern, and texture in milliseconds. Superpower number 3. Hedgehogs. They roll into tight, spiky balls, nature's perfect shield. Superpower number 4. Polar bears. Their fur is see-through, not white, and it helps trap heat to survive freezing temps. Which animal power would you want to have? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun animal facts here on the Animal Fact Den.